Priya, and in today's video we're going to see how to make this very pretty and beautiful greeting card for someone's birthday. And if you give it to someone, automatically the person will get impressed by this lovely card. So now let's move on with the tutorial. Without any further ado, let's just go and see the video.
Let's start. First I'm going to take this blue sheet and now I will be folding it into half like this from here. To fold it into half, now what you have to do is take a pencil and here you have to draw a semicircle like this. Draw a rough one. No measurement is required to draw this circle, semicircle. So once you made it, now you have to cut it. So like this I am cutting it. So guys, I'm preparing to make a video in Hindi. Are you guys excited or should I make it or not? I want a guys suggestion. So like this we have done it. Now what you have to do is take an A5 size pink sheet and you have to stick it like this here. Also, I'm planning to do a Q&A part 2, so stay tuned. Like this. It has to be on the boundary for the finishing. Now I've done it like this. Now what you have to do is, on this sheet, pink sheet, you have to draw a line. Like I've drawn this one. Like this, you have to draw a line and just cut this out. Now what you have to do is, now we have to take a heart punch and we have to punch hearts on this pink sheet of paper like this on several distances. So like this you have to cut hearts on all this like this. So guys, like this I have cut hearts all over, and now what you have to do is I've cut one heart template and now you have to trace it in the center here. You have to trace and make 2 hearts. This one got a little lang like this, and the second one also near it, not very near but you can say near. Like this you have to draw these 2 hearts, and now I'll tell you what you have to do. I'm gonna just give it a little finish. Yes. So now you have to take a scissor and press it inside it. I know it won't go that, so just take a cutter, insert it here, and now you have to cut the 2 hearts. Now you have to cut these 2 hearts out like this. So guys, like this I have cut the 2 hearts neatly, and now what you have to do is I have taken these pearls and now we have to put these pearls like this here and surround the hearts. and bend it here. One of that came out. Oh. Now you have to like this. You have to do on the second heart also, like this. So guys, like this I have surrounded my second heart also, and it looks pretty. Now what you have to do is, now on this edge also I will apply these pearls. Today I'm shooting this video at like another place, otherwise where I shoot every time a shadow comes, so I decided to shoot it here this time. And I've just taken 3 more now. And so like this we've done it, and now what we have to do is, now I've made these happy birthday tags, and I'll stick these like this here. They will pop up a little from the corner, like they will go out. And the birthday tag also. So it will be like this when we open. So this looks very pretty. Now we have to do is, on the corner I will stick these 2 hearts which I have made on a sheet, and like this to stick one of them, and the second one also like this here. Also what I'm doing is I made more small ones also. So we are gonna first press this hard, and then the second one I'll stick here like this. So like this I've sticked it, and it looks very pretty. So now what we have to do is, now I'm taking a white uneven sheet, like we have to do something. So I'll just keep it here. And now I will mark this end like this, and we will cut this much of the sheet. So like this I've cut it out, and now I will stick it here like this. On this whole part. Now what we will do is, we will also stick this part of the white sheet to the sheet. Also I am telling you that don't use a fresh sheet because it doesn't need it. So I'm using a sheet which was of no use. So I decided why waste it, because then we just have to use a blank side. So like this. I've made it and a very beautiful and pretty greeting card is ready. So give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below how's the video. And now I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye guys.